Want to create a digital product but don't know where to start? You don't need a team or design skills, just ChatGPT. Let me show you how. Type this prompt, create an outline for a PDF guide about AI tools for small business owners. You'll instantly get 5 to 7 sections with bullet points. Now say, expand section 1 into 150 words with examples. Repeat this for every section. Boom, you've got full content ready. Open Canva and paste the content. Use an ebook or lead magnet template. Customize colors, fonts, and icons. Export as a professional-looking PDF. You can share it free as a lead magnet. Or sell it on Gumroad or Stan Store. Price it at $9, $29, or more, depending on value. Add links to tools like ChatGPT, Canva, or Pictory. Every download equals extra income. This is how I build and sell digital products, fast, using AI. Want my free AI toolkit? Link in bio, and don't forget to follow at aprofits_lab for more.